Hey everyone, I'm back with a small share today. I've been doing just a little bit of coloring. Not a whole lot of crafting, but just kind of taking it easy, I guess you could say. So I do have a share for the November, I think this is November, or maybe this is October, recipe stamp club. This is the turkey noodle soup recipe. So this is a 4x6 stamp that is available. If you're in the recipe stamp club, you should have gotten this, I believe, or will be receiving this, but they do offer it a la carte from AdornIt. So if you're interested, I'll leave the links in the description box and you can take a look. But this 4x6 stamp set has the ingredients here on this one stamp, and then it has the cooking instructions on another. So there's two stamps that go together. And then there's some additional pieces like the give thanks, some leaves and acorns, and then separately some acorns there. So that's the stamp set that I used. I also used these adornments. I believe this was given to me by a fellow crafter. I don't remember who it was, but they did send this along to me. It's some different trims in a yellow color or kind of a golden color. I used this Echo Park Mega Pad for my recipe. And then this rusty orange color from the Stamp Market cardstock. And then this also as well, this large fat jar. This is from Red Lead Paperworks. There's the website if you're interested. I use that, and then I also use some Copics to color. Some of them are in here. Okay, I've been doing some other coloring, so I believe most of the colors are in here that I used for this stamp. And then I also use this punch from Stampin' Up. It is the it's one of the tab punches. It creates this little foldable tab. It says Circle Tab is what I put the name on it. And this is, I think this is retired, because I purchased this secondhand, from eBay, I believe. So that is my, what I used. I put the recipe in my book, and I actually did put it towards the beginning, which I haven't done a tour of this thing. I'm going to do it at the end, when I've gotten stuff all together, I think, or to a point where it's full. But you could see here, it's in the first page, actually. The first page consists of a recipe on this one side from a different book, and then on the other side, some information about different teas. So I put a tab on it. You can see there. That's from the scrap piece of paper I had, and here is my colored image. I chose to use the big jar as kind of the backdrop because this jar right here was a little bit smaller, and it has the ingredients that you're going to use if you wanted to give a gift to somebody for turkey noodle soup. So you can see here, I made it look like you have this as a tag for the larger jar, and the jar is colored with Copics, as well as this one right here that I stamped first because I wanted this in the forefront with all the different ingredients that you would fill a jar with. And then you would obviously give the, as part of the gift, this label, which would tell you how to use the ingredients that are packed in the jar. And there's some additional ingredients as well, like mixed vegetables. So yeah, that is my recipe card. This piece of paper is part of that Echo Park. It's actually my favorite, one of my favorite patterns in the book, as well as this is some scrap from it that I punched out. So I really like how this turned out. This is just a little bit of, it's popped up on foam dots so that it just gives it a little bit of a dimension. But I also tied some of that ribbon or adornments on here because it matched so well. Just to make it look like the little tag was, or label was sitting or tied to the large jar there in the background. So I really enjoyed coloring that up or coming up with it. The back is just got another piece of pattern paper here, just to kind of build up the strength of this recipe card. So I thought that was really fun. It has the tab so that you can pull it out from this pocket that I created between the 2 pages here of recipes. So it's supposed to go in like that, where you can actually see the tab sticking out. Now you can see there is another tab right there. I've already shown this recipe card as well. It's also in another pocket, just like this one, but towards the back of the book. So that is my project share for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more crafting. I will have hopefully some more projects coming soon, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.